Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step that how you can create a PayPal account. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. First, you need to go to the Play Store or App Store and download PayPal application on your device. Once you download and install the application, the next thing you need to do is to tap on Open the application. Once you open the application, it will ask you to enter your email and password, but we are creating an account, so we need to tap on sign up. So once you tap on sign up, the first thing you need to do is to enter your email here. So you can choose it from your Google account, but if you have another email, you can enter that one as well. So guys, as you can see, I enter my email. Once you enter your email, the next thing you need to do is to tap on next. And now you have to enter your phone number. So if your the country code will be first, it will be pre-selected, and then you need to enter your phone number. So I will enter my phone number first. Once you enter the phone number, then tap next. So the application will send you a code and it will autofill. As you can see, it was just received right now. And after that, they will say that create a password. So use 8 to 20 character, use two of the following letters, numbers, or symbols like these. So the password should be at least 8 character long. You can add alphabet and you can add digits as well. So guys, after selecting the password, and one thing you need to remember that there should be a special character as well. You can choose from these. Once you choose a password, all you need to do is to tap on next, and here you need to enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and national ID number. So guys, as you can see, I enter all the details. I blur the details here, but you can enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and national ID card number, and then you need to tap on next. So once you tap on next, here in this step, you need to enter your valid address. So you can enter the address here. Then you can enable these things if you want to receive offers and promotion from PayPal. You confirm that you have read, and this is the user agreement. I will enter the address first. So guys, you need to enter the plot house number, then you need to enter the sub-district or district, and then you need to choose the province and then the postal code of your area. Once you selected all these, then you need to confirm the user agreement. You need to accept that and agree and create account. You need to tap on that. So once you tap on here, so guys, the next thing it will ask you that confirm your address. Once you're okay with it, tap on confirm. It will take a bit of time and then it will bring you here, and they say create your username. So it will pick a username for you. If you want to skip that part, you can do that. And here is that say that link a debit or credit card. You can enter a debit or credit card right now if you want to, but if you want to skip and do it later, you can do that. So I will tap on skip, and here they say that PayPal transfer faster, find your contact more easily. You can enable the contact, allow access this application to your contacts, and this is it. Your account has been created. They say confirm your identity. You can go and confirm your identity later on, but your account has been created. So this is how you can create your account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.